Hello and welcome back. Today I want to talk about accessories for your bike, specifically in respect to mounting your iPhone and GoPro. Now, you might have seen some adverts lately, especially on YouTube, for a thing called Quad Lock. And look, it's not a bad device. I had a look at it, but it wasn't for me. So I wanted something a little bit more elegant and more flexible and had different, what's the word, had a variety of different functions. And so I got this. And this is from a company called EBike Design. And it's very elegant, it's very well constructed. And as you'll see in a minute, from a functionality point of view, it's brilliant. What I like about it, there's a number of things I like about it. So first off, it's easy to put onto the handlebar. You've got a beautiful knob to turn, and then you can adjust the position on the handlebar wherever you want to put it, and then just lock it up. And that means that when you're out riding, especially if you've got the phone on it and you want to look at the phone, that means that I can have it upright, flat, whatever you want. Now I'll come to other aspects about the clamping in a minute, but this is the magic part. Now, so there's my iPhone 14 Pro, and this is the holder that you buy from EBike Design, which attaches to that adapter. So you put the phone into this carry-all case, and by the way, the case is very sturdy, rubber and fabric design, and I have to admit it's a very tight fit, but once you get the phone in, it's there. Now, this is what I love about it. It's a very small attachment. It's a locking mechanism and magnetic attachment all in one. Watch. Look at that. Locked on. Now, there's two little, you push the two little tabs on either side and that unlocks it. Now I can actually go, access it, I can go that way. All right. Or that way. Now, if you notice, when I was in Adelaide, I was actually using the iPhone. You might not realise this, but a lot of the video was from the iPhone. And what I did is I mounted it like that, and I undid the clamp, and then positioned it like that, and had the lens pushing that way. Now this is the other thing that I love about EBike Design. They have an adapter. Well, actually, you'll see it. It's actually on there. I've mounted it. When you order it, you can order this extra adapter. That is for the GoPro mount. Now, so what I was doing when I was over there, I had this extension mounted in here, and I had the GoPro on here. And that meant that I can record myself and at the same time record what's going on in front of me. Brilliant design. Furthermore, EBike Design have another adapter plate with a 1/4 inch screw adapter at the bottom. It actually also comes with another plate which can be adapted to this. You take this plate off and this goes on. This comes complete with the kit, and that goes onto their tripod. I don't have that at the moment, so I'll put that aside. But this, what I love about this is that I could be mounting, I could have elsewhere on my bike a bracket with a 1/4 inch screw this on. This means that I could be out just with this, and I'll get some shots looking that way. I'll literally just take that off, and elsewhere on the bike attach that, and away we go. I mean, EBike Design is an awesome product. when you're out riding and you suddenly decided you want to get some footage, say like riding down this path here, well, simple matter, pull the phone off, adjust the bracket so you've got the actual, yep, on facing the front, and you're now recording what you're seeing as you're riding along. I mean, talk about elegant, so easy to change this over. Again, you've decided that you've recorded enough, you can stop, take the phone off quite easily. You might decide that you want to reset it so you can actually see the screen while you're riding along, and have a look at your maps. There you go, you can play around, have a look at the map, and then later on take the phone off again, have a look at some other apps, like maybe your calendar, for instance. Yeah, put it back on the bike. I mean, the mechanism by which you actually attach it is so elegant and simple and effective. What can I say? I love it. It really is such a fantastic thing. By the way, it's also very strong. Comes with these little inserts around the clamp. If you've got a smaller, well, say for instance like here, I've got a tapered shaft and I want to put it on there, I have these little sections which go into here, and you can then adapt them to other handlebars. So in essence, they have thought of everything. I seriously would suggest that you look at the Peak Design mount over other designs that are out there. They also have on the mounting itself, they've got a rubber mount, and they absorb a lot of shock. I mean, that's it. Nice short video. I love quality. I think Peak Design are the Apple quality of these sort of products, and they're brilliant.